Hey Telecom Tribe, this is video 7 of #Automate10, where we create a fully functioning automated dashboard in 10 short videos. In the last video, we made the pivot table, and now we need to link that pivot table to our dashboard. So we'll start with the MOU number. We'll just click the equal sign, and then we're going to click inside our pivot table. That was MOU, so that should work just fine. We'll come back and touch that again here, and we also want the DLD cost. So equal sign, come back to our pivot table, cost. Okay, there we go. So here we have the date embedded. We're going to overwrite that with our TTM date. And we're done with that one. Same with the MOU. We're going to overwrite the hard-coded date with our TTM date. And now we can just fill without formatting. So there's the cost and the number of MOU, minutes of use, for DLD for the preceding 12 months. Okay, that's basically it. I'm going to keep going here to get done in 10, and we'll have a little bit to come back and fill in, but just wanted to prove to you that in 10 short videos, we can create a fully functioning automated dashboard. Join us for video 8.